Hi people, this is Nery again. As you can see, I could always use my rice maker. I find it much easier than using the stove. We got another stove, but it's higher than the other one I had. So now it's very difficult for me to actually do anything with it. Yeah, I could do it, but I can't do it like, doing a video, putting everything up like this. I have my little table where I could put everything down, and this way we fixed the lighting. We got the orange color for the walls because it brings in more light for some reason. So now what I'm cooking is pork chop. We're gonna do it together with the rice, the pork chop and the rice together. Okay, so what do I use? Let me go over here. I got my settings. Okay, this is cilantro, oregano, and basil. Cilantro, oregano, and basil. Then besides that, we got this. Hold on. Goya salad olives. Okay, Goya salad olives. And we also have meat tenderizer, parsley, sofrito. I don't do nothing without my sofrito, just for the rice. I don't put it in meat, but since we're gonna make the rice in with the meat, so I do put it in there. And it's gonna be what they call stewed. We call it guisado. So it's gonna be arroz con chuleta guisado in the rice maker. And I took out the oil, but I cut the grease from the pork chop. But you can't cut every little thing. So I'm gonna see how much grease it leaves. If it doesn't leave any, then I have that, and it's already on hand. So since it's just gonna be one dinner all here, so I don't have to be running around. I also, my garlic. Wait, right there. There's my garlic. Okay. Now I know I got everything. I did this way because, the people who knows me for a long time knows that in 2009 I caught a sepsis, and it was in the brain. So I have a lot of problems remembering things. So what I do when I cook, I don't move away from the kitchen. I put a video right here in my cellular, and I stay in the kitchen. Why? Because if I go to the bedroom and start watching a movie, I forget about what I'm cooking. So that's why, sometimes I have to put everything in order so I can know exactly what I have. So now all we have to do, oh wait, let me put these little 3 pieces. I left them there just to remind me. So it goes in. And I got a spoon right here. Now we're gonna shake it. I don't know how much of how much of salt is right. So, but as soon as it boils and it's tender, I could tell if it's enough for the meat and the rice. If not, then I would add some more. I'll probably add salt. So I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm gonna let this simmer and cook, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I already added the rice, as you can see right there, and now I'm just gonna cover it up and let it finish cooking, and then I'll show the plating. Okay, I'm trying to do everything as fast because I'm short on, how you call it, and batteries. Okay, so I'll see you later. Okay, so the plating is done. As you can see, the pork chop is going to be together with the rice. I didn't make no beans, but if you want to make beans, you can make it. I'm not a fanatic of beans. So I just like this is white rice. It's not really with tomato sauce. It's white rice that I love. Tastes delicious. Well, I think that it also gives the plate, let's say plain white rice or white rice or yellow rice, is the ingredients you put in there. Like the white rice, I put garlic and I put parsley sometimes in the garlic, and that's what I put in the rice, the white rice, and it tastes awesome. Plain white rice, it doesn't cut it, but this gives it more taste. You see, this, as I show all the ingredients, gives it more taste also. I didn't have to put salt, but I did. I forgot to say that I did have to put a little oil because the pork chop was how you call it? It didn't have no grease. I cut all the grease out, and that's why I had to put some oil on it. Well, bon appetit. How do they say in Spanish? I forgot.
Provecho.
Buen provecho. And hope you liked the video. Bye bye.